For 13 through 16, you're supposed to convert equations from polar form to rectangular form. And so we have to remember all those little tricks. So what do we have to remember? We have to remember that x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, r squared equals x squared plus y squared, and tan of theta is y over x. All those things to help us do this. So for number 13, theta equals 5 pi over 6. Okay, so remember, if you were going to do thetas, you would multiply by tan on both sides. So tan theta equals tan 5 pi over 6. And 5 pi over 6 of tangent is right before 6 pi over 6. So that is negative square root of 3 over 3. So tangent theta equals negative square root of 3 over 3. And tangent theta is y over x. So y equals negative square root of 3 over 3 times x. There we go. That was number 13. Number 14, we have r equals 1/2 secant theta. Okay, now this is a secant. I want it to go away, so I need to multiply by r cosine theta. So r times cosine theta equals 1/2 secant theta cosine theta. So r cosine theta is x is equal to 1/2, and then secant is 1 over cosine times cosine over 1. That cancels out to 1, doesn't go away. So x equals 1/2 would be number 14. Number 15, r equals 8 cosine theta. Alright, I got to get an r in here, so I'm going to multiply both by r again. So r times r. So r squared equals 8r cosine theta. R cosine theta is x, so r squared equals 8x. Now, r squared is x squared plus y squared equals 8x. So x squared minus 8x, let's complete the square, plus 16 plus y squared equals 16. So x minus 4 quantity squared plus y squared equals 16. Equation of a circle, right? So that's the answer for number, what was this number? 15? Okay. Make sure we're right. Yeah, 15, 16. Last problem. 16. R equals 4 cosine theta plus 4 sine theta. And so we're going to multiply this side by r and this side by r. Get these x and y's in there. So r squared equals 4r cosine theta plus 4r sine theta. So r squared equals 4x plus 4y. Okay, so now let's get everything on the same side and change r squared to x squared plus y squared. So x squared minus 4x, well, I don't want to skip too many steps, okay, sorry. X squared plus y squared equals 4x plus 4y. So now we're going to complete the square twice. I love this. So x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 4y equals 0. Complete the square here, complete the square here. So, do you know what you're doing? You're in pre-cal. You need to know what you're doing here, completing the square. X squared minus 4x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4, so plus 4. So remember we added 4, because we had to do it the other side. Plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 4 plus 4, or 8 on this side. Sorry. So you get x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 8. And that is the equation of a circle with center at 2, 2 with a radius of 2 square root of 2, right? Okay, that was your homework. Hope everybody's having a good Monday.